The Illusion of Virtue, Unmasking Altruism as Enlightened Self-Interest. Whenever people speak of their altruism or compassion, it fundamentally springs from an intrinsic human drive, self-interest. Whether acknowledged or not, all actions, even those deemed noble, are ultimately aimed at personal gain, be it material, social recognition, or emotional satisfaction. Why are we so convinced of our nobility? Recognizing our own selfishness is uncomfortable. Beneath the guise of selfless service lies a craving for acknowledgement, a desire to be needed, or a fear of rejection. Each time we perform a good deed, we are, in reality, seeking ways to enhance our social standing or to boost our emotional well-being. Many claim their actions are not driven by personal gain. Yet even self-sacrifice, which ostensibly aims to protect or assist others, also satisfies our internal needs. For instance, the desire to save a life may stem from a need to feel like a hero. We are all captives of a socio-cultural system where each individual is concerned with personal benefits. Society molds our values and motives. Our good deeds are merely products of this system, compelling us to act according to its rules, even when we believe we are acting independently. People cannot be selfless because their motives, conscious or unconscious, are always linked to personal benefit. Our virtues, however noble they may appear, are always manifestations of our inner selfishness. By acknowledging this, we can approach ourselves and others more honestly and consciously. This reinterpretation highlights how our perceived selflessness is often just a sophisticated form of self-interest, challenging us to view our motivations through a more critical and nuanced lens. Reverend Insanity by Gu Zhenren pushes readers to confront the uncomfortable truths about their motives, underscoring the complex interplay between self-interest and actions. This theme, one of many deeply explored in the novel, challenges us to acknowledge our inherent selfishness and the socio-cultural influences shaping our behavior. By embracing this honest introspection, as illustrated through the protagonist Fang Yuan's narrative, we can achieve greater self-awareness and navigate our lives with a clearer understanding of our motivations. This conclusion not only encapsulates the essence of Reverend Insanity, but also serves as a compelling invitation to examine the underlying motives that drive our decisions in everyday life.